In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Folders 2025. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a folder in ClickUp and add helpful context so your team can stay aligned and find things fast. First, log into ClickUp and head to your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you begin, so everything lands in the correct place. Think of the workspace as the home for all your teams and projects. Next, open your team space. Team spaces are where groups collaborate around related work, so choosing the appropriate one keeps your folder visible to the right people. This is important for access, visibility, and keeping structure consistent across your organization. Now look for the plus icon and choose the option to add a folder under Group Lists, Docs, and More. This is the area in ClickUp where you create containers for related lists and docs. Folders help you bundle work by project, client, or function so you're not scattering lists across your sidebar. Click Create Folder to start the setup. As you do, use a clear, standardized name so anyone scanning the sidebar knows what lives inside. For example, include a project code, the team, or the quarter, depending on how your organization labels work. Consistency here saves a lot of confusion later. Add a description. This is a small step with a big payoff. Use the description to spell out the folder's purpose, what belongs inside, and any conventions you expect people to follow. You can include notes like the types of lists that should live here, where files are stored, or who the primary owner is. Writing this down gives new teammates instant context and reduces back and forth. When you're ready, click Create and finalize your folder, then make it organized from the start. Apply clear naming rules, agree on simple conventions, and keep the scope of the folder focused. If your team uses tags, priorities, or naming prefixes, align them with what you wrote in the description. The goal is to make the folder easy to scan so teammates can quickly understand what's inside and what belongs where. That's all it takes to set up a solid folder foundation in ClickUp. Get into the right workspace, pick the appropriate team space, add a folder from the plus menu, create it with a clear name, document its purpose in the description, and lock in simple organization habits right away. Follow this approach each time and your ClickUp will stay tidy, predictable, and fast to navigate. Thanks for watching and great job taking control of your structure in ClickUp.